Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Daymond John is on this list for investing in sharks and showcasing the power of broke. It's just a mindset to really keep you not resting on your laurels and to really keep hustling out there. And so he is on this list at number 33 on the top 52 creative leaders, brought to you by Skilltivity.
My name is Daymond John. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an investor, I'm a brand architect, and I'm known as a shark on ABC Shark Tank.
He turned 40 bucks into a culture-defining brand. A self-made millionaire, best-selling author, star investor of Shark Tank, a kid from Hollis, Queens.
As a child, I think in 5th or 6th grade, I was selling pencils to other kids. I was doing anything and everything to make $1 at all times. You can have an item, and that item is, all right, I'm making there's water. And water can be getting anywhere from the fountain to the stream, or you put it in a bottle. You can then have a label. You put any label on there because you go into the store and you say, well, that's bottled water. I don't know the label's name per se. Then you have more of a brand, Dasani. It's a brand, we don't know much about it, but then you can become a lifestyle, Avion, vitamin water. So a lot of us don't get to the level of lifestyle where if you copy a piece of paper, somebody may say go Xerox it when really Xerox is a company, or you ask for a soda and somebody calls it a Coke, where it basically categorizes everything. You search for something, they say Google it no matter how you're searching, and that becomes a lifestyle. If you don't already have the brand built or you don't have sales to show proof of concept, then I'm going to have to do that. So why own 50% of your company and work on your idea when I can own 100% of my idea and my company? So money is as expensive as it is in regards to becoming early. If you come to me at a really early stage, that same $100,000, I want 90% of your company. If you go and show me that you can make some sales, that there's people who want the product, that $100,000 may become 20% of your company. So the more that you can do on your own before you bring in capital is extremely important.
So guys, I know you know Daymond John from Shark Tank, but he also has founded a little brand named FUBU. And I used to wear FUBU a lot back in the day. FUBU means for us, by us. And I tell you, he was one of the first black entrepreneurs to make it in the fashion space, especially from my generation. He is very influential with not just that, but as we said earlier, with just investing in new businesses and providing information and keys of leverage to entrepreneurs that are coming up in the game and really needing guidance to move to that next level. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. And we're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.